This is the cottage style plate rack that I made. The first thing I did was take apart some pallet wood. My husband brings home this free from work. He got this tool for me that helps to rip the boards apart. So I wanted to show you that because if you've ever taken apart pallet wood, you know it's like really hard. But this tool is awesome. There it is, one more angle so you can see it better. Here I'm using a scroll saw. This is an older model. I think it's made by Wen. And these saws are amazing, and they're actually pretty safe for saws, as saws go. So I made a pattern out of paper to make the scallop design. I used like a jar to make the half circles. There's a bunch of random pieces of wood that I thought I would need out of the pallet wood. I kind of ripped some of the boards in half to make them skinnier. I did use that scroll saw to cut the boards down. My husband is very mathematical and he drew the perfect hole placement for me. He picked me up these dowels and I cut them and glued them in with some wood glue with I can't think of the brand. I'll try to link it if I remember. It's like the best wood glue. And then I chalk painted it with a mix of different Annie Sloan chalk paints. And there's the finished plate rack. I really wanted something different, something cottage, something spring to put this collection of vintage thrifted plates. Thank you for watching.